Hello everybody, I'm Enchanted Moon. Welcome to my channel. I have a witchy unboxing for you. It came in this bag, or envelope, or packaging, whatever you want to call it. And it's the Witch's Bounty for May. I did a video and I screwed it up. So this is take 2. So I already opened it. So I know what a great box it already is, so I'm just going to go through it and show you. So the Witch's Bounty for May. Okay, so when we open it, this is what I see. We have this beautiful card that says the Witch's Protector, May 2024. So we got a new, pretty card. And then we have our Book of Shadows, beautiful art card. So we have that. And then we have our candle. We got a black beeswax candle for the protector box. We have Sword of Bliss incense sticks. Sword of Bliss. Our oil is the Witch's Protector anointing oil. And it also has that pretty wings on it. We have a black sachet with our tumblestone. And this is really a pretty rainbowy smoky quartz tumble. So we got that. We have a black cord chain. And this is lobster claw is sterling silver. And then our main item came in this beautiful black box. And it blew me away, guys. It absolutely blew me away on the beauty of this maze piece. Oops, that's the back. Let me see if I can line it up. All right. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? You got the triple moon. And in there we have a moonstone. And hanging is black tourmaline. And it's a beautiful piece. And this is the back. And the bale doesn't have any stones in this one. But we have the two beautiful moonstone and tourmaline combo. That is stunning, isn't it? It's beautiful. And this is our paperwork. So they switched it up this month. I don't know if this is something new, which is nice. I do like the card. And in the back it has the items that are in the box. So, preparing for the great and heroic journey ahead, the skilled craftsman molds and melds the alchemic metals and stones to create what is so many work to create. An amulet of protection. Upon completion, the source of protection is placed in a pendant and adorned with magical and potent symbols. Only known to those that walk the mystical path. Upon placing it over the warrior's head, a small incantation is spoken, activating and binding its purpose to the bearer. As the witch turns towards their future, a sense of confidence and empowerment reaches through them, strengthening their stature and stamina. The world of opportunity overpowers the fears of failure once felt. Magical items in this box are as follows. So it starts off with this beautiful, of course, pendant. Black tourmaline and moonstone triple moon pendant, 925 silver. This pendant has been exclusively created for this collection. Triple moon found within its center represents the power and cycle of transformation, growth, death, and rebirth. At its center, you will find a beautiful hand-selected moonstone, as well as the enhancement of our self-intuition. Moonstone provides us with the ability to align with our spirit guides and ancestors, so we are more apt to receive messages and signs. Moonstone has also been used in our practice for communing with the energies and spirits of nature, including plant devas. Found hanging from the pendant is black tourmaline, known for its great depth of protection, guiding and sheltering the wearer during challenging times and circumstances. This powerful protector also purifies the energy of the bearer, casting out fears and anxieties that are unnecessary and harmful. These intertwined energies created the perfect balance for the magical person. And again, absolutely stunning. I can't wait to wear that baby. I might put that on today. I really love it. All right, the next item, Moon Guardian Book of Shadows artwork. Exclusively created for the subscriber. The Witch's Bounty, written and illustrated by A.E. Alden. And it says, do not make copies and not for resale. Then the next thing is the Witch's Protector Magical Anointing Oil. To enhance your psychic shield, we enhanced this oil with oils of jasmine, clary sage, cedarwood, lavender, and sage, along with oak and lavender herbs. We have included a quartz crystal said to teach oneness and used to clear all the chakras. Be careful with applying it to skin. Some may be more sensitive to sunflower oils than others. This blend has been created to anoint magical tools, external use only, 13 months shelf life. That's a new added information I did not know. That's good to know how long the oils will last. Sword of Bliss Ritual Incense Sticks. That's all it says about that. Doesn't give you why they created it or what they use it for. It's very short and to the point. Tumbled Smoky Quartz. This companion stone is a premier grounding force and offers protection from negativity and others. Negativity of others. I'm really not seeing quite well today. Okay. And the Witch's Protector. Where's this? Oh, here it is. Hand-rolled protection beeswax spell candle. Light during times of uncertainty and fearfulness. So this is a protection beeswax. Okay, and may the Witch's Protector be a constant companion on your path. May it join you in the battle towards conquering the foes that attempted to stop you. So that is the items in the box. Beautiful card. What do you guys think of May's Bounty? This is my first one from the Witch's Moon for May, and I absolutely love it. This was absolutely a stunning piece. Can't wait to wear it. Let me know what you guys think. I'll leave the information down below. Have a blessed day.